sus Dhaidí. Bhí lím ag obair ó luain go sathairn. An dónach, gún sé an siopa a 2:00, thuaidh sé a bhaile. Thuaidh Dhaidí isteach sa seomra sí, agus hí sé síos. Chas sé siúl an telefís. Bhí cluiche amáineachta siúl TG 4. Bhí cluiche cisfeil siúl RTí. Is maith liom a bheith ag féacant spórt. Léim Dhaidí ó chlár go chlár agus déag sé na cluichí. Tar éis tamil chas sé siúl an radio. D'éist sé leis an radio. Is maith liom a bheith ag éisteach le spórt. Bhí cluiche pelle siúl. Fuair an peladóir cúil. Mathú! Phiocc Dhaidí suas an nuachtáin agus duscail sé an leathanach spórt. Is maith liom a bheith ag léamh faoi spórt. Thosaigh sé ag léamh. Shiúil mommy isteach sa seomra sí. Gléadh sí Dhaidí. Níor thula Dhaidí mommy. Seán! Bhí sé ag féacant an telefís, ag éisteacht leis an radio agus ag léamh an nuachtáin. Is maith le Dhaidí sport. So, sus Dhaidí means a break for Dhaidí. Bhí Dhaidí ag obair ó luain go sathairn. So Dhaidí was ag obair, which is working, ó luain, Monday go sathairn, to Saturday. An dónach on Sunday, gún sé an siopa. He closed the shop. 2:00. Thuaidh sé a bhaile. So he closed the shop at 2:00, and then thuaidh sé a bhaile, he went home. Thuaidh Dhaidí isteach sa seomra sí. Dhaidí went into the seomra sí, into the sitting room, and he, sé, síos. He sat down. Chas sé siúl an telefís. He turned on the television. Bhí cluiche amáineachta siúl. There was a game of amáineachta, which is hurling. Siúl, going on TG 4, on TG 4. Bhí cluiche cisfeil siúl RTí. So there was a game of cisfeil, a game of basketball, going on radio telefís na hÉireann, Irish television. Is maith liom a bheith ag féacant sport. So Dhaidí says, I love a bheith to be ag féacant sport, to be watching sport. Léim Dhaidí ó chlár go chlár. So Dhaidí jumped from program to program, chlár go chlár, agus déag sé na cluichí, and he looked at the cluichí, at the games. Tar éis tamil. So tar éis tamil means after a while, after tamil, after a while. Chas sé siúl an radio. So he turned on the radio. D'éist sé leis an radio. He listened to the radio. And he says there, is maith liom a bheith ag éisteacht. So he likes watching, and he also likes ag éisteacht, which is listening to sport. Bhí cluiche pell siúl. There was a game of football going on, and fuair an peladóir cúil, and the player got a goal. And Dhaidí says, mathú, which is well done, good you. Fuair Seán óg ó Halpín cúil álín. So Seán óg ó Halpín, which is his name, got a goal, a beautiful goal. Cúil álín, a beautiful goal. Phiocc Dhaidí suas an nuachtáin. Dhaidí picked up the nuachtáin, the paper, agus duscail sé an leathanach sport, and he opened the sports page. Is maith liom a bheith ag léamh. So he likes ag éisteacht, which is listening. He likes ag féacant, which is watching, and he also likes ag léamh, which is reading. So any word with an egg is going to be a doing word. So ag léamh faoi sport, he loves reading about sport. Thosaigh sé ag léamh. He started reading. Shiúil mommy isteach. Mommy walked in sa seomra sí, into the sitting room. Gléadh sí Dhaidí. She called Dhaidí, but níor thula Dhaidí mommy. Níor thula means Dhaidí didn't hear mommy. Bhí sé ag féachaint. He was watching the television. Ag éisteach leis an radio. Ag éisteach leis an radio, listening to the radio. Agus ag léamh an nuachtán and reading the newspaper. Is maith le Daddy sport. Daddy, it's very clear, likes sport. And now Mummy says here, well, Daddy says it's maithlam sport. That's what Daddy's saying. And Gavura dia uring is Mummy's saying sort of like, God help us, okay? Because he's just loves sport so much.